Excessively compassionate, extremely merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss about phrase structure rules. You see, the basic structure or the deep structure of a sentence is consisted of noun phrase and verb phrase according to Chomsky. We can get its more complicated surface structure by applying certain transformational rules. But to construct the basic sentence, we should be aware of how we can construct noun phrases as well as verb phrases. So when we talk about the noun phrase, basically noun is a name of thing. It's a part of speech. Name of person, location, animal, name of any object. So it's a noun. So a noun phrase, we can attach other related words to construct noun phrase. These related words can be determiners, they can be adjectives or preposition phrase. Determiners are also known as articles, and determiners are a and the, while the adjectives are all those words that modify noun. And preposition phrase starts with preposition and it takes preposition object. This preposition object can be either noun or pronoun. For instance, under the table is a preposition phrase. Here under is preposition, the table is preposition object. For instance, we are having a noun book. So determiners and adjectives can modify noun. For instance, my book, an old book, poetry book, the new book, famous book, or the red book. And we can attach preposition phrases to enhance noun phrase. For instance, my book on the table, an old book in the bag, poetry book with cover, the new book under desk, famous book on the top, the red book at home. So it can this is the way we can construct noun phrase. So when we talk about the adjectives are a little bit complicated concept. You see, the basic definition of an adjective is this: all those words that modify the noun. So noun can be modified by determiners. So the determiners are adjectives. For instance, in determiners we are having a, an, and the. A pen, an egg, or the book. So you see, pen, egg, and book are noun, while a pen, an egg, the book, these are noun phrases. A and the determiners, and it basically all these are adjectives. Certain pronouns can be used as adjectives when the pronouns modify noun. They are adjectives in their functions. For instance, and these adjectives are known as pronominal adjectives. In pronominal adjectives, we are having possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Possessive pronouns like my book. My is pronoun, but here its function is an adjective, right? Because it is modifying the noun. That book, that is demonstrative pronoun, and it is modifying the noun, so that in its function is an adjective. Which book, which is interrogative pronoun, and here its function is as adjective. Another book, another is indefinite pronoun, and as another is modifying the noun, so its function is an adjective. So all those pronouns that modify a noun, they are adjectives in their function, and they are known as pronominal adjectives. Numbers can also modify nouns, and these are uh, numeral adjectives. For instance, cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers, and multiplicatives are adjectives like 5 boys, third row, double sheet. So all those cardinal ordinal numbers that modify nouns, they are adjectives in their function, and they are known as numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives. Nouns can modify other nouns. So if noun is modifying another noun, those nouns are known as attributive nouns or pre-modifiers. For instance, common nouns can modify another noun, proper noun or possessive nouns can modify another nouns, like winter weather, July storms, Alice, Troy. Winter weather, winter is common noun, it is modifying another common noun. So winter is attributive noun or pre-modifier. While the July storm, July is proper noun, it is modifying common noun. So July is adjective in its function, or it is known as attributive noun or pre-modifier. Alice, Troy, Alice is possessive noun that is modifying another noun. Form of verbs can also modify a noun. If any form of verb is modifying a noun, it is known as participle adjectives. And its function is like adjective. For instance, a broken plate. Broken is a form of verb. Ruined city. Ruined is a form of verb. Crying baby. Baby's crying is also a form of verb, but here in this phrase, in noun phrase, they are performing function as an adjectives, and grammatically they are known as participle adjectives. Adverbs can also modify adjectives, noun phrase, verbs, or another adverb. For instance, NP, almost the whole cake. Verbs, broken aggressively. Another adverbs, very fast. Adjectives, clarify. The degree or intensity. A little sad boy or very good boy. Modifiers or adverbs are modifiers, and they are used as adjective. For instance, qualifiers and intensify. Qualifiers are those words that weakens the impact of a word, while the intensifiers are those words that strengthens the impact of a word. For instance, a figure, very tall tree. Preposition, phrase structure. As I told you earlier, preposition is consisted of preposition and noun phrase. So we can draw its structure in this way. Preposition, the main note will be a preposition, and it is divided into two parts. One is preposition, the other is noun phrase. So in preposition we are having in noun phrase we are having determiner, the, and noun, that is room. So yeah, observe the next T structure, preposition, P and NP. P with NP determiner, adjective and noun, a black bag. So have a look on noun phrase. A noun phrase, a single simple noun is Ali. Noun with determiner, a boy. Noun with determiner and adjective, a little boy. Noun with determiner, adjective and preposition, a cute boy in the car. So we will draw its tree structure. So the first note will be NP. NP is only consisted of noun, so you can write NP, then noun and Ali. The next is noun and determiner. The boy, so note is NP, determiner the, and noun is boy. The little boy. This phrase is consisted of determiner, adjective, and noun. So we will draw the T structure in a way. NP, determiner, adjective, noun, determiner the, adjective, little, and noun boy. Next is a cute boy in a car. It is determiner, adjective, noun, and preposition. So NP is having determiner, adjective, noun, and preposition phrase. Determiner a, adjective cute, noun boy, preposition is P and NP, in P in, NP, determiner and noun. Determiner is a and noun is car. A very friendly, beautiful boy in the car. A very friendly, beautiful. A is determiner. Very friendly, beautiful is adjective phrase. Baby is noun. In the park is preposition phrase. So you will draw the structure in a way that NP is consisted of determiner, adjective phrase, noun, and preposition phrase. Determiner is a. Adjective phrase is having adverb phrase and adjective. In adverb, we are having double adverbs, very and friendly, and adjective is beautiful. Noun is baby, and the preposition is P and NP. P is in, NP is determiner, and noun. Determiner is the, and noun is park. Another example, an extremely broken, ugly image in people's mind. So you see this is a long, complicated noun phrase, and image is basically the head as a noun, and is determiner. Extremely broken, ugly is adjective phrase. In people's mind is preposition phrase. So have a look how you can draw its structure. Noun phrase is consisted of determiner, adjective phrase, noun, and preposition phrase. Determiner and adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and adjective. In adverb, we are having adverb, extremely, and pronominal adjective. Participle adjective as broken, adjective ugly, noun image, preposition phrase P and NP. P is in, NP is noun and another noun. A noun as a pre-modifier, people's, and N is a noun is minds. So now we will talk about verb phrase. Verb phrase is when you have to construct a verb phrase. A verb can have other parts as noun phrase, preposition phrase, or adverb. The simple verb is one verb, that is for instance ate. Verb with NP, ate the cake. Verb with NP and PP, ate the cake in the party. Verb phrase with NP, PP, and adverb, ate the cake in the party happily. You can draw its T structure in a way. If you are having ate the cake, so VP is consisted of V and NP. We are having ate, NP is determiner and noun, the and cake. Ate the cake in the party. Here we are having main verb, that is ate, and it is modified by noun phrase and preposition phrase. So you will draw in a way that NP is having verb and VP is having verb, NP and PP. In V, ate, we are having and NP determiner and noun, the cake. Preposition is consisted of P and NP. P is in, NP is determiner and noun. Determiner the and noun party. Jumped into the river suddenly. This verb phrase is having preposition phrase into the river and adverb suddenly. So you will draw the main notes just like VP, V, PP and adverb. V is jumped, PP is P and NP, P is into, NP is determiner and noun. Determiner the, noun is river. इसको रिवाइज कर लेते हैं जो भी हमने आज डिस्कस किए। हम पढ़ रहे थे फ्रेज स्ट्रक्चर रूल्स। तो फ्रेज स्ट्रक्चर की जब हम बात करते हैं कि जो बेसिक सेंटेंस है उसका डीप स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है वो नाउन फ्रेज और वर्ब फ्रेज पर मुश्तमिल होता है। तो अगर आप कोई भी सेंटेंस उठा लें तो हम उस सेंटेंस को दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। एक को हम सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं या उसको आप एनपी कहेंगे, दूसरे को हम प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं या फिर हम उसको वर्ब फ्रेज कहेंगे। तो यानी कि जब आपने कोई भी सेंटेंस बनाना है या उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना है या उसका एनालिसिस करना है, उसको एग्जामिन करना है, तो आपको नाउन फ्रेज पता होना चाहिए और आपको वर्ब फ्रेज पता होना चाहिए। तो नाउन फ्रेज में मैक्सिमम जो पार्ट्स या कंपोनेंट्स हम ऐड कर सकते हैं उसको नाउन फ्रेज को बताने के लिए, वो डिटर्मिनर है, वो एडजेक्टिव्स है और वो प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज है। इसके अलावा आप नाउन फ्रेज में कोई और पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच या कोई और एलिमेंट या कंपोनेंट ऐड नहीं कर सकते। सो इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल। लाइक जब अभी आपने नाउन फ्रेज बनाना हो, या डिटर्मिनर आएगा या एडजेक्टिव आएगा या प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज आएगा या फिर तीनों के तीनों आ सकते हैं। इसके अलावा नाउन फ्रेज में कोई भी चीज़ ऐड नहीं होगी। ठीक है जी। उसके बाद हम बात करते हैं वर्ब फ्रेज की। वर्ब फ्रेज में हम एनपी वर्ब फ्रेज में हो सकता है, प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज हो सकता है और एडवर्ब हो सकता है। ठीक है। तो इसके अलावा वर्ब फ्रेज में कुछ भी नहीं होगा। तो तीन कंपोनेंट्स या वो जो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आप कह लें नाउन फ्रेज में है, जो कि डिटर्मिनर, एडजेक्टिव और प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज है, और तीन ही पार्ट्स या एलिमेंट्स वर्ब फ्रेज में है। उनमें से एक नाउन फ्रेज है, एक प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज है और एक एडवर्ब है। तो इसमें आपने एक बात नोट की होगी कि जो प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज है वो नाउन फ्रेज में और वर्ब फ्रेज में कॉमन है। यानी कि हम इसको सिंपली ये कह सकते हैं कि जो प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज है अगर तो ये नाउन को मॉडिफाई करता है तो ये एनपी का पार्ट होगा, और अगर ये प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करता है तो ये वर्ब का पार्ट होगा। यानी कि इसकी नोट आप एनपी से निकालेंगे अगर ये नाउन को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, और इसकी पीपी की नोट आप वीपी से निकालेंगे अगर ये वर्ब फ्रेज को मॉडिफाई करता है। फॉर इंस्टेंस, द बॉय विद डार्क ग्लासेस। अब द डार्क विद डार्क ग्लासेस प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज है जो कि बॉय को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, तो इसका मतलब है ये एनपी का पार्ट है। शी शाउटेड इन हर लाउड वॉइस। इन हर लाउड वॉइस प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज है, लेकिन ये जो एक्ट है या एक्शन है शाउट उसको मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, तो ये प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज क्या करेगा, एनपी का पार्ट होगा। यानी कि जो प्रीपोजिशन फ्रेज है ये सेंटेंस में दो फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता है, या तो ये एज अ एडजेक्टिव इसका फंक्शन है जब ये मॉडिफाई करता है नाउन को, या फिर ये एज एन एडवर्ब अपीयर होता है जब ये मॉडिफाई करता है वर्ब को। So I think so you are clear. If you are having certain questions, you can ask in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Happy learning. Allah Hafiz.